The EMAX Hydro Smart Air Compressor is the low-maintenance workhorse you've been looking for. Our Hydro water-cooled compressor has a lifespan of over 80,000 hours, with regular servicing every 1,000 hours or 6 months. In normal operating conditions, the Hydro water-cooled air compressor is virtually worry-free and requires less maintenance, downtime, and expense when compared to rotary compressors. Maintenance requires downtime. Downtime often halts production. The EMAX Hydro water-cooled air compressor reduces service time and downtime by 70%. Oil and filter changes are achieved in minutes with easy access to all regular maintenance components, unlike rotary compressors that require removal of cabinets, panels, and other obstructions. Oil changes are tool-free with a spin-off automotive-grade oil filter and a hand-tightened spin-on replacement filter. Simply drain the oil from the crankcase into a container by turning the crankcase drain valve. Unlike rotary compressors, the EMAX Hydro water-cooled air compressor series does not require you to schedule, wait on, or pay for an expensive certified technician. Annual maintenance costs for the traditional rotary air compressors can run up to $3,000 per unit annually, while the EMAX Hydro water-cooled air compressor can be serviced without a certified technician for under $500 a year. Hydro water-cooled air compressors do not require an air-oil separator filter, which is a common component of rotary compressors. With fewer parts to maintain, hydro compressors reduce the risk of parts failing, which reduces your overall maintenance costs and risk of downtime. Inlet valves require repair after 10,000 hours. With a rotary compressor, this service requirement can take hours for a certified technician. With the Hydro water-cooled air compressor, inlet valve service only requires a few minutes for someone with basic mechanical skills. Routine internal filter replacement service on a rotary air compressor requires moving 8 bolts, which can take up to 30 minutes, while the Hydro spin-on spin-off oil filter can be changed in under 2 minutes tool-free. Rotary air compressors operate at 5,000 to 8,000 RPMs. Hydro water-cooled air compressors operate at only 200 to 800 RPMs. The 4200 to 7200 lower hydro pump speed produces less heat and less belt wear, resulting in lower service costs, downtime, and longer life. Hydro air compressor belts should be replaced every 5 to 7 years, while the rotary air compressor belt should be replaced at least once a year. Speaking of belts, the Hydro water-cooled air compressor comes standard with an external belt tightening system, engineered to align and tighten quickly and easily. Our smart oil technology minimizes friction and wear, reduces internal metallic noise, increases pump and engine life, reduces carbon buildup, and improves energy savings. Smart Air Oil is compatible with all brands of air compressors, making it a versatile and valuable asset to your business. To maintain our factory warranty, a simple maintenance schedule is all that's required. Routine tasks such as keeping the compressor clean, checking oil levels, and draining the tank is all that's required. Additionally, weekly checks to ensure anchors are secure and anti-vibration pads are in good condition are advised. A Hydro water-cooled extended warranty is available and includes the best support in the air industry, with a team of experts ready to help you troubleshoot and guide you virtually on any site. Join the growing number of satisfied customers who have upgraded to EMAX advanced air technology compressors for a quieter, safer, and more efficient workplace.